He's gonna get you.
Does he make noises?
No, I haven't heard any noises yet. Let's see if he'll play. He plays with this ball over here.
Hi.
And he picks it up with his teeth and he throws it. Harley! Get your ball!
He's like, I'm hiding under the bed.
Yeah, he probably knows. I have to be careful because he wants to chew wires and stuff. The dogs are fine with him. What? Is he over there?
No, I'm just getting your dogs looking under the... Hi.
Where is he? Pants. I put on too much, but my pants are like... Harley, you need... he's so cute.
He's all in the corner.
What?
He's all in the corner over there.